Hello, good day. I'm Poi. In last tutorial, we talked about push method in JavaScript. So let's talk about now about reduce method in JavaScript. So let's create our reduce.js file. And then what is reduce method? So reduce method in JavaScript is used to reduce an array to a single value by applying a function to each element of the array. So it iterates through the array, accumulates the result of each iteration, and return a single value. So let's create our example to understand how reduce method works in our array. So let's create our array of number, and then let's create a variable that holds our reduce result. Okay, reduce that reduce this one. So here we have a first parameter, we have a callback function. Then inside of this one, we have a previous value. So this previous value, we also known as accumulator. Then the second one is a current value, and the third one is a current index, and the fourth one is the array. But in this example, we are using a accumulator or previous value and also the current value only. So let's use the um, accumulator sorry, then the current value, like this one. Then let's add the accumulator plus the current value, this one. So here, after the logic or the function that we are creating, we can set the initial value of our accumulator. We can say 0 for this example. And then to test it, let's console.log our sum. And I'm expecting the output of ours. This variable is 15. And yeah, we got a 15 since the accumulator add every iteration of this array. So let's test the the initial value that I'm saying about inside of our reduce. Let's say this one is 5. We set this one initial value is 5. Then let's test the code. So as you can see here, the the new value of our sum is now 20. So yeah, I hope I give you an example and I explain to you what is reduce method and how it works. So if you have other question or clarification, just comment below in our comment section. And thank you and bye bye.